We're going to demonstrate how we can use the calculator to work with a linear regression problem. So consider problem number 18, casino size and revenue. So it says find the best predicted amount of revenue in millions of dollars given that the Trump Plaza Casino has a size of 86,000 square feet. How does the result compare to the actual revenue of $65.1 million? So below we have a table in which the size of various casinos are given in thousands of square feet and the revenues are given in millions of dollars. So we're going to begin by inputting the data into the calculator. So we'll press Stat and then choose Edit, and we'll put this data in our list. So in L1 we'll put in the size of the casinos. So we'll enter 160. We'll enter 227, 140, 144, 161, 147, and 141. Now we'll match up the corresponding revenue for each. So in the first casino of 160,000 square feet, there's a revenue of $189 million. And the next we have 157, 140, 127, 123, 106, and 101. So here we've entered our XY pairs. Now what I want to do is make sure that our regression is complete. And so I'm going to hit second and mode for quit. I'm also going to go to catalog. So I'm going to press second and 0 for catalog. And let's go down and turn our diagnostic on. This will guarantee that our R and R squared will display whenever we do our linear regression command. So choose diagnostic on, press enter until you see done. Now we're going to press stat. We're going to arrow once to the right for calculate. And now we're going to choose number 4 for linear regression. So it needs to know the X list, which is our L1, the Y list, which is, in this case, L2. And so we'll leave everything else alone and we'll press calculate. And so here we have our regression line is the form AX plus B, where A is the slope. So A, the slope is 0.4427. The intercept, B, is 63.875. R squared, the coefficient of determination, is 0.1976. And R, our correlation coefficient, is 0.444. And so if we were to look in our table, A5, we would see that this correlation coefficient does not exceed the value in the table for a 5% significance level. So this does not indicate a strong linear relationship. However, it does ask us to figure out what the predicted value would be according to this linear regression line and see how it does fit. So what we're going to do here is we have A times X plus B. So the X in this case for the Trump Plaza Casino would be 87,000 square feet. So let's do this. For A, we've got well, let me show you something else. Let's press stat, go over to calculate, and we're going to do linear regression again. This time we're going to store the regression equation as y1. So to do this, I'm going to go to vars for variables. I'm going to choose y variables because those are our function names for the y's. I'm going to choose one for function and just choose y1. So it's going to store the equation as y1. I'm going to press enter and calculate. It's going to recalculate that, but now y1, the name of the function, is now saved as this regression line. So I'm going to hit vars, go back over to y variables, choose one for function. Oops. Let me try that again. Vars, y vars, function y1, and now in parentheses I'm going to put in the number of square feet, thousands of square feet, 87, and then press enter. And so at 87,000 square feet, the value of the function would be $102.4 million. That's well above what actually is the case for the Trump Plaza. And so this is just an indication of this not being a strong linear relationship. The value didn't predict it that well.